Good evening, viewers. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Don Bosco Media Network. Here are the headlines for today. Khasi Jaintia Bus Association dismantles the ongoing structure of Shillong Municipal Board at Maulong Hut in Shillong. Meghalaya unit of the BJP distributed PPE kits to the municipal workers at the Martin in Shillong, and COVID-19 pandemic brings changes in the mindset and life of man, says Reverend H. Mormon. And now the news in details. The Khasi Jaintia Bus Association today dismantled the ongoing structure being erected by Shillong Municipal Board at Maulong Hut in Shillong. The structure is some kind of a shop, said the members of Khasi Jaintia Bus Association. The structure was dismantled as the Shillong Municipal Board did not pay heed to their warning that it should stop the construction for a while. The structure will block the entry and exit of the vehicles that come to the multi-storied parking complex at Maulong Hut. Speaking to the media, R. Lingdo, President of Tourist Association, along with Wan Boklang Kharsati, KJBA Secretary, said that they had to take these extreme steps as the shop will create a huge traffic jam in the area.
Packaging sisa lah tadi bagi tikot ini punya lawan ini keren bagi makin lagi berkaca kebabian kita nih bangin kamai man itu kalatnya nilai pusing hot keren tip sini isu penting isuan dek isu penting di negara juga penting ini kaplos kita kejakaru kita kepaknya kita ke keluar ini nak kalian ini jawa balong membersih begitu perah ini jadi ini nomor bakal tak pula ini.
The webinar, co-hosted by IUCN and Asian Confluence, was concluded in Shillong today. More than 50 participants from India, Bangladesh and Nepal participated on the webinar. This was final webinar series of three-part webinar series on Barak Meghna River Basin. The webinar presented a comparative review of natural resource management policies in Bangladesh and India in the Barak Meghna Basin. The study was facilitated by IUCN and Indian Environment Law Organization IELO Delhi. The Meghna Basin has more than 60 different policy instruments for the management of natural resource, including water, biodiversity, fisheries and forests. The experts at the webinar highlighted the need for more integrated policy approach for the management of the Barak Meghna River Basin. Although the Indian state of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world, more than 50% of villages are experiencing water scarcity during the dry season. Recognizing the interconnectedness of water and the need to strengthen community engagement in integrated water resource management, the state government created the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, said Mr. Sampat Kumar, Chief Executive Officer, Meghalaya River Basin Development Authority, Shillong. He shared the authority aims to coordinate the actions of different agencies to support local livelihoods. The MBDA has initiated several community-based livelihood programs. It aims to engage communities in the management of forests and other landscape-based natural resources within the state. The Meghna River Basin is shared by India and Bangladesh. The Meghna Basin is notable for the number of transboundary tributaries. At least 29 named rivers flow into the Bangladesh from India, such as the Umhyam River, originating from Umhyam Lake, also known as Barapani Lake, north of Shillong in the Indian state of Meghalaya, and the Kowai River that originates in the eastern part of the Atharamura Hills of Tripura. Meghalaya unit of the BJP distributed PPE kits to the municipal workers at the Martin, Shillong today as part of the Sewa Sapta service week on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday celebration. The State President Ernest Mauri lauded the works of municipal workers. State Vice President Dipayan Chakrabarti, State Secretary Arundhati Paul and Rocky Heck, Shillong City District Vice President were present at the program. Reverend H. Mormon has said the faithful should not worry if they are being prevented to attend the prayer services in church, and what is important is that godliness should be reflected in serving humanity. Speaking on the occasion of the 133rd anniversary of its Foundation Day held at Juwai, Reverend H. Mormon said the COVID-19 pandemic has brought about changes in the mindset and the life of the people.
Coronavirus udah berhenti nama Syabrio bantau Jepang agak Jepang option. Baik, tentang COVID-19 kepada kami dan lembut pada Jepang berhenti nama Syabrio. Kejistan, bangun rakyat kata komperkat pemain, aku percaya di bawah koi. Bahkan ini percaya kami yang kerja kasong juni priu, kedai kerja kasong juni para cinta baru, kedai yang jongang ni juni kemudian kita, kedai yang jongang juni. Balada Ibrahim, Ijikau, Ijikum, Ijekset itu, priu.
Today, the inauguration of Spectators Gallery under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and distributions of chairs and utensils took place to mark Pushan Mas celebration in Sejong under Maringkanang Block. Speaking at the occasion, Shri Ronnie Walang lauded the people of Maringkanang Block who came out to be part of the celebration at this point of time when a pandemic is taking its toll. He said that the scheme is one opportunity to let people stand on their own feet and also said working together will bring unity among themselves. Present at the occasion was Shri David Nongrum, MLA Maringkanang Constituency, people of Maringkanang Block and other officials.
Iba David Nongrum, MLA Badan Buram Jongkapan, Iba Badan Rengkat Lang Menta Kesi, Hakabaga Program Jongkablong, Kaya Tengko Lang Bat ke Program ke Jong IMLA. Bat Kene Kecing Tengko ke Basungau Tenat. Nabahabang Iong Kentin Tengko, Bunsien ke Jugai ke Basungau Si. Ndai Kene Kecing Tengko ke Basungau Tenat. Hakaba Nagaliang Jongkablong. Nilaki rengkat bagi job card holders jong ke Sejong. Hakaba kilala pentempo penting gila ke jong ke Shillong Katau. Hakaba kilala penpengi ke cingit Thailand, ke cingit Pulau Markayang. Rengkat ke step ke saat. Bante yakni ke cintai ke bayi tenan bat ke bapin Habriyo ya ke Shillong Borok Kawai. Trena do owan ke MGNREGA amtang bakala ay hangi. Ya kata ke Bainong, hakamili bakacintray, bakumjuro yaki diar kitar, kani ke MGNREGA kala hikay ro yangi bangin yeng halaki jong kikajan. Kani tangkani ke scheme, hakaba mapi hiray daladi.
Let us now have a glimpse of COVID-19 update for today. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for being with us.